Let's get back to the 10 weather impact forecast. We're tracking snowstorms on the way. This will affect the morning commute. And there could be some issues with schools on Monday.
On Monday, yeah, there will definitely be closings and delays here across the whole state here on Monday morning.
Okay.
So we have a winter storm watch that has been issued from the National Weather Service. We expect this to be extended, and we expect it to be upgraded to a winter storm warning. Typically, you don't upgrade it to a winter storm warning until you get about 24 hours away from the main event. So, but all these counties right now, which do include our viewing area, do have that winter storm watch now in effect. So again, Sunday night going into Monday. Now we are expecting it to arrive a little bit sooner. This is new model data that I got within the past hour, now showing that it could be arriving sometime Sunday afternoon. I do not want to give you an exact time because we still have a couple of days and it likely will change between now and then. Also, new information today, there is a risk of some freezing rain across southern Ohio sometime Sunday night going into Monday. In the metro area, though, like across Franklin County, we do expect a plowable snow. Several inches will be on the way. All right, so here you go, Sunday, 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you travel Sunday? Yes, of course you can travel. Look at this. Nothing happening close to home. But there's your storm right there. There it is, moving in across Arkansas up to the north. We have cold air up ahead of it. All right, so the blue on the map, that's the snow. But you see that pink color? That's what I'm concerned about, the pink color. Because you know what that is? That's ice. That's freezing rain. I would take snow any day of the week over freezing rain. I'm hoping that the track of the storm will be a little bit further down to the south so we don't have any risk of it moving in. Right now, we're very close to the cusp of that freezing rain moving into the metro area. As of now, I'm keeping us all snow, but I am closely monitoring how far north that line goes. Now, as we head towards Monday, this is going to last pretty well into the day. Is Monday afternoon safe to travel? I don't think so. Here's 3 o'clock on Monday, still tracking plenty of snow out here as we're going to be looking at some wraparound moisture on the backside of that low. Now, if you live in the blue, which most of you do, we're expecting this to be all snow. Down to the south, I still expect a plowable snow, but I think there might be maybe a couple of hours where we switch it over to sleet and freezing rain. That will help to lower the totals maybe a little bit, depending on how far that line is moving. Nonetheless, here are my thoughts right now. Again, down to the south, it's very likely that we have a plowable snow. And then the further to the north that you go, it becomes more unlikely as you head north and east of town. What is the likelihood of getting more than 4 inches? I know folks want a specific number. How much am I going to get in my town? This is what we're thinking right now, okay? If you live south and east, we're looking at about a 90% chance of 4 inches of snow or more. If you live up near Mount Vernon and up towards Coshocton, that's going to be about a 30 to 40% chance of snow. Again, this will change. We're still about 48 hours away, so things will change between now and then. Sunday, probably not the best day to be out. Saturday, we're expecting a good travel day. Sunday, again, we're watching the timing as that has now shifted and is moving in sooner in the day. Snow on Monday and then snow flurries on Tuesday. And then we're just getting ready for what will be a bitter blast of cold air by Wednesday and Thursday of this next week. Not looking forward to single digits, Tracy.